Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off threads notification in Instagram. So if you're getting too many threads a lot and you're in Instagram, here's how you can turn it off. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your Instagram application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, from the home page, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the heart icon at the top to open your notification. As you can see, this notification says something like posted a thread you might like. So if you'd like to get rid of this kind of notification, go ahead and simply swipe this notification to your left, tap on this three dot, and then simply tap on turn off notification like this. Just like that, you won't be receiving any notification like this from now on. Sometimes Instagram sends different kind of thread notification. If you see another one, just repeat the same process and then it will disable that type too. That's it. You have successfully turned off threads notification in Instagram. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned until our next upload.